Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your TikTok is basically telling you you are not eligible to actually sign up for a TikTok account. And there's two different ways to fix this, and they're very, very easy. The first thing you want to do is follow your boy on TikTok. I've been posting a lot more. I'd really appreciate if you follow me, but basically, what you want to do is essentially you want to get into this page. Now, this is the standard login page that you'll typically see, and what you'll see is some sort of option that says, when you try to sign up, it tells you that you're not eligible. Now, the reason most likely this is mostly because A, you're underage, or B, you're signing up to TikTok with an account that was probably banned before. And this happens all the time with YouTube, Facebook. So if it's the latter, if it's you're signing up with an account that was banned before, aka an email, you're going to have to go ahead and either use a different email and sign up with that way, and that'll typically end up fixing that specific problem. If it's the first option, if it's you're actually underage, then you're going to have to actually sign up for TikTok with the proper age. So if you're underage, then do not sign up for TikTok. But if you are the proper age and you just mistyped it by accident, then you essentially just want to put in the right age on your TikTok account. So whatever it says use phone or email, and then it tells you right here when's your birthday, well, you want to put in your actual birthday. You may have mistyped it, so as long as you're 18 or older or 16 years or older, then you'll essentially be able to sign up for TikTok. And that's actually the very first way to fix it. That's the number one way why this ends up not, properly executing, is typically if you put in an age that's, not 18 years or older. As you can see, confirmation, click continue, it's essentially going to tell you that you're not eligible for TikTok and all that good stuff. So that's the very first way to fix it when you go through. Now let's go ahead and say that isn't the issue. Well, the second main way to actually end up fixing this is to actually contact TikTok customer support in and of itself. So what you want to do is when you're on this front home screen page like this, you want to go ahead and click this question mark that's up here. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click other, which is right at the very bottom. And then essentially what you want to do is click that you still have a problem, and you'll basically be able to go ahead and tell TikTok exactly what the issues are. So if you're experiencing issues that are like what we just described, these login issues, then you want to basically tell them, hey, I'm trying to sign up for an account. You probably want to give them your email or some other type of contact information that you're trying to sign up with, aka I would probably not put your phone number, but if you have an email, I would recommend putting that in that you're trying to sign up with, and let them know that, hey, I'm experiencing this problem. And on top of that, if you can add a screenshot, that'd be pretty cool. And you just want to let them know that you are not able to go ahead and be eligible to sign up for a TikTok account. So at this point, you should be good to go, and you probably will be able to get a contact back from them, and then they'll be able to go ahead and fix that issue for you. So that's essentially it. That's exactly how to fix these type of issues on TikTok. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Check out the links in the description, as well as go to cheapphones.co, which is my website, greatest website in the world. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.